Thursday, following Thursday. So we're going to wrap up sound today. We've got a little thing, article on hearing, how your ear actually works. We've got a short video that goes back over this reading and shows you a visualization of how you hear and shows you the little parts. And then I have a Domino's word vocabulary review and a word unscrambled definition type of thing. Because tomorrow you will have a quiz on sound and wave parts. Okay, it's 20 questions for 50 points, open notes. So your notes from last week, 2 PowerPoint days, this reading, and your warm-ups you can use, and a little unscramble the word definition thing we'll do later today. Okay, so we already have a little quiz. My 6th period took it on Friday, and most of them wrote the notes. Most of them passed. Some of them I said, did you have any notes? And they said, no, I didn't take any notes. And they got a 70, and they could have an 8. But they didn't have any notes. So make sure you have your notes done. Those PowerPoints are online. But tomorrow we'll finish up sound, and we'll move into light. And we'll do a little mini lab on Wednesday using lenses. And then we'll talk about ray diagrams and mirrors. And then we'll start reviewing for our unit test. Just take a look at the article. I'll go over the questions. Here are the questions you're looking for. Arlen, you reading? Questions on the back to guide you.
Yeah, you can do this.